Dinner. This is the previous celebrating. If not, I'm going to diet.
So you're already like celebrating that you got the job, even though you didn't get it yet. No, we're still in front. Okay, come. I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ.
I can't. Okay. I made it this far. Where am I? This far.
Då blir det kanske det 28 vid nästa år. Till
Weather is terrible.
But everyone has a green card. Like,
Everyone has a green card? What?
Yeah.
Today is National Sami Day.
Don't put it on YouTube though.
Nej, too south. Okay. Oh, porca troia. I want to tell you. Porca troia. Verico Pivo.
Are you sure?
yeah.
Jena Verico Pivo.
Ja, to velika piva, može.
Može.
Vamos! Oh, that's mine! Yeah, actually, yeah. I'm not kidding, it has pineapple juice. I just saved your life.
Can I have a glass of water?
Are you posting that?
Did Michael fuck you last night?
Romansa.
Maybe I killed you when I stayed on bed. Not there.
Who is Antonio? I don't know.
Fucking hell.
Who is Antonio? Juan, what are you doing on Grindr?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? He made crepes. Is terrible. Like what you can hear is the wind hitting literally everything is flying around. So pretty. Jesus taking bus at 6:20 in the morning. So the weather is so bad that they closed all of the bridges and canceled flights. So we will see where that goes. So we are going to do some art.
Hi. Welcome to the Terry Painting with Bob Ross and Michael.
Okay. Down.
Wait. Yeah.
Okay, put the tape on top of the holes.
I need to look at people.
Wow. Okay.
It bled through.
Yeah.
I like it though.
But it's supposed to have a shape.
But it's wonky like us.
Give me your
So
explanation.
this is a metaphor for like the sun being a flower. That when it blooms, it reflects in our valleys of our lives.
Those are your butt cheeks.
Yeah,
Real.
my butt cheeks. So when the sun blooms, it reflects in my butt cheeks, as you can tell.
Beautiful.
So I have a really bright past and a bright future. Wink, wink.
Michael's painting just fly away. Mine is just like, it's all over me, but his is like... You can show me your painting.
It went through like, no. It now reflects something else.
It's the sadness
Something dark.
of Tromsø. But this is nice.
Yeah.
I just got the most brilliant idea at 5 a.m. to cut my hair. Let's see how that goes. This side is definitely shorter than the other, but we will see tomorrow when it dries. So it's the third day of the snowstorm, but I have an amazing thing. Wait, I don't know how to show you. It's just like the hoodie and this. So whenever I do my makeup, my hair, it doesn't get destroyed. So far it's not that terrible, so I hope I survive. Okay, it's no fun.
This is a special day.
Yes. It's time to be real, but it's so fake.
But it's like so dark.
It's okay. Seen this? And it's pina colada night. Wow. How are we on the stage? Oh.
To se opustil.
Yeah,
And we go to Burger King. And then we are going to have some fun.
we're going to an after.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah? You go to work tomorrow?
Yes, at 9:30. So I will probably just not sleep.
Nice. And what happened?
I stole toilet paper because I panicked.
You're crazy.
But panicked,
there,
but I
my
didn't
friend, you
know.
have the solution for any shit that could happen.
Yes, I know.
Something in the vlog. Yeah, nice for the internet. Remember I was saying like I have this amazing hood that covers my head and neck. Well, I lost it. I'm trying to get home, but look at the weather. The guy yesterday asked me at the party if I like apples, and I was like, yeah. And he just gave me an apple. Now I have breakfast. Thanks. Me and Davis went to this art museum, which was really cool with these flipping screens and everything. But we came at 4 p.m. and they were closing at 5.
Just hang on until 3 o'clock when everybody's coming down.
Is this a therapy session with the broken back?
How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel like I'm so old.
In school.
There was this guy. And then...
We're going for another
morning run. Follow our healthy fitness lifestyle. So, good morning. It's Sunday. And I'm on my way to the city center. There are reindeer races because it's the Sami week. It was the national day of Sami, the original indigenous people of the northern Norway, or like the north. The weather is amazing. Woo! Alfonsito made breakfast. This is the best work. What happened to you?
I just leaned on here. It was wet. Vegan.
You have a little bit of cum on your face.
Again, oh my god.
the only person hyped about
Yeah,
this.
he actually knows what
My
is going on.
bets are going off right now, man.
So
Yeah.
just feel free.
You can say to my vlog, what are we waiting for?
Halftime show, Riri. They being in 19 meant that they only took 2 yards from 20. Was it 20?
The rules explained. Nice.
They only got like 2 yards.
They had first and 10, and then it was holding, so then they had first and 20. Then they only got 1 yard on their first play.
okay, yeah.
So it was second and 19.
Okay.
Then they got like 5 yards, so now it's
Oh,
third and 14.
yeah. Okay, say no more. I understand.
Now they gotta get 14 yards.
Yeah.
So he's just gonna throw it away. He's just gonna throw it away. No. Oh, you fucking piece of...
This is
That's gonna
better.
ruin the whole fucking game. It's gonna ruin the whole fucking game.
Yeah.